Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be 15 favorite thrifted items I picked up in the last week or two. Yeah, I think these videos are some of my favorites because I don't have to go through an entire haul of stuff. I'm just hand selecting items that I'm most excited about listing and selling and finding new homes. And some of these are more unusual. Some of them are pretty common, but I just liked some element of them. And with this, I'll kind of give you a range of what I'm hoping for. So hopefully the expected sale price range is helpful in case you come across this brand. So I have 15 items here. And if you enjoy reselling, if you like thrift hauls, this is basically just a condensed thrift haul. And this is from an assortment of places. So the range in cost of goods was somewhere between $1 to $10 for most of these items. I think there's a couple outliers that I paid up for, but yeah, let's just jump in. If you aren't already subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you like these favorites videos where I spotlight my favorite thrifted items from recent days, definitely hit the thumbs up. And yeah, let's just jump into it. So I decided to wear my leather jacket that I thrifted recently just to go with the first item because it's edgy. And if I needed a bag, which I don't need anything, I would be keeping this, but because it's so great. So this first bag is a Wylde bag. I first picked up this brand. It was a bikini. It ended up being damaged. And I had looked up, I think it was a bikini of a different, collab or something. Anyways, so I can't remember the name of this brand, but I do believe this is listed with the details. But the Wylde is right here. It's suede on the inside. And then it has this little guy, the Wylde little tag right there. And yeah, it's just really well made. It's got the zipper pocket and then it's got a couple more pockets. It's a structured bag, but it doesn't have skulls. A lot of his stuff has skulls on it or skull lining. But I did find this exact bag had sold at the Real. And it's in great condition. There's like very minor wear on the corners, but almost not possible to see without the lighting. But I was really excited to pick this up. I did pay up for this. I can't remember how much, like 15 or something, but the comps I'm looking to get, depending on how long it sits, somewhere between 150 to 200. A lot of the stuff was listed for much higher. I decided to go a little lower, hopefully find a great home sooner rather than later. But just really love this style. The only downside with this is it's not a shoulder bag and it's not a crossbody style. So it is more of the, you got to hold it that way, but I like the edginess and I like this designer. So, all right, this next one is a Free People dress, but I picked it up because of style, season, and size. So this is a Kimmy & Kin, and it's just this really fun boho dress. I was tempted to wear it for this video, but the Kimmy & Kin, there you go. It's always a little, these tags are always a little, and then it's a size large. But it does have, what I love about it, it does have a little elastic at the back part of the waist, which just means that it's going to be easier to fit and whatnot. But I did get a pretty low offer right when I listed this, and I just declined them. Because I just think that going into spring, summer, I think this is a perfect dress. It does have, as with anything embroidered, a couple loose strings, and I trimmed off a couple, but it's still just such a beautiful dress, great size and great color. So that one I'm hoping to get somewhere between 28 and 32. This one was probably one of my favorite pickups of late. And ironically, this was in a video. What was the video called? Where I was talking about brands I'm not picking up as much anymore, or I haven't had much luck with. I can't remember what that video was, but ModCloth, one Goodwill found, like right after that video went live, I found like 6 funky plus size ModCloth. And someone did tell me that ModCloth was purchased by Walmart or one of those big cheaper places. I can't remember which one. It was Walmart, Kmart, something like that. Although I don't think it's Kmart. Aren't they going out of, I don't know. Anyways, but this is ModCloth 2X. I could not leave this behind. It was not $1, but I did look up comps and found 2 of these skirts had sold between $40 and $45. And I think you'll see why. It's got peacocks. It's like velvet peacocks print. Another great one with the elastic waist on the back part, just makes it super easy. It's got the zipper on the side and it's fully lined. It's a midi length, so it's, you know, you can wear it kind of all year round, either with some sandals during the summer and a black top, or, you know, with boots during the winter and some tights. So I loved the print, great size. And the comps on this exact skirt were pretty good. So again, I did not pay $1 for this, but I think it's gonna find a new home, and it's already got lots of attention. It's been listed for a week or two, so I'm confident it's going to go quickly. All right, so this one, Free People, is, you know, something I don't always pick up. I think that was in that same video, but this was a size large, and I liked it because it was a size large and just a really cute style. Now it's kind of going out of the season that this would be appropriate for. However, I think this is a really great spring sweater because A, you can wear a long sleeve top under it and wear it, you know, during winter time, or you can wear it with nothing under and just have the kind of cap sleeve, but I liked it. So just standard Free People, whoops, size large, and with sizing matters with that brand for me. So, and if I can get a couple wears out of it personally, I'll be happy. So I'm hoping for about 28 to 32 for that. Oh, I didn't mention the ModCloth, even though I found some that sold between that 40 to 45 range, I think I priced it right at 45, right around there. And I'm hoping to get somewhere between that 30. I mean, it would be great if I could get 40, but 30 to 35 range, depending on how long it sits. So, all right. This next one may not have been the best pickup, but I thought it was such a great casual blazer for spring. And if it were my size, I would 100% wear it multiple times before selling it because I liked the accents, and I think you'll see. Got to button it. So it's by the Sundance brand, which I've picked up maybe once or twice before. It's just such a beautiful color, such a beautiful spring color. And then you can see the little accents of teal where the stitching by the buttons. You could roll up a sleeve and kind of have it pop there, stitching by the buttons. I just think it's such a great style. It's kind of got the, is it herringbone? Kind of subtle print, and it's a size small. It's a wool blend, but I loved it. Now, I don't think this is going to get much. I'm only really expecting maybe, I mean, it will get a decent amount. I think this is on the high end, but I'm just going to wait for the right buyer. 28 to 32. I think potentially it could be a little bit less, but again, I did not pay $1 for this. I did pay regular price, so I'm just going to wait for the right buyer, and hopefully they get it for the spring because I think it's perfect with some, like a white t-shirt and some jeans, and yeah, anyways. This one I debated. I saw it twice at the same store, when I saw it the next week. Anyways, and I finally decided to get it because it was 50% off instead of full price. And the second week I saw it, and I just love it. I just want to put it on right now. I don't need any blouses personally, but I love this color. Someone actually made a funny joke, like, drink every time Courtney says she likes that green is her favorite color. It's true. So I won't say it right now, but you can tell that that's what I want to say with this. It's kind of it's a green color, but it's kind of got a hint of like a blue. It's kind of, I don't know, emerald green. This lighting is really hard for me to make things out, but it's a beautiful blouse. It's got the most beautiful sleeves, kind of boho vibes. It's only laundry by Shelley Segal, which I have sold before and I don't pick up very much anymore, even though I come across it a lot, but I just couldn't leave this behind. I just loved it so much. So my dog is tapping at the door, but we're going to let her sit. My guess is she's gonna keep tapping. But anyways, it's a size large, which is why I ultimately decided to pick it up. And I'm only hoping to get 20 to 24 for this. And it probably won't sell quickly, but I have sold this brand and I think I should be able to find a good home for it. These are adorable. Another one that's just a good size. It's a size XL by Anthropologie, which I rarely find. And I think it's a perfect spring or vacation pair of pants, elastic waist, cropped style, wide leg, fun print. And it's by the brand Etoile. I think that's how you say it. And it's a little bit of a hard tag to read, but anyways, great size, great style. I'm hoping to get probably 30 to 35 for this because of all those components. And yeah, if I was going on a beach vacation, This would be great with like a tank top and swimsuit underneath, but I'm just dreaming now. Anyway, so I'm hoping to get, I think 30 to 35 for those. This one I did pay up for, but I was surprised about comps. I think I paid 12 or 13 for this. And it's kind of the wrong season, but if I have to wait for the right buyer for next snow season, it's fine. I did get a couple low offers and I just declined them, but some people don't decline. I decline on Poshmark when they're less than 50%. I don't personally want to spend the time on it, but and oftentimes they'll come back with a higher amount if they really want the item. So that's just my own personal take. But this is a one-piece snowsuit by North Face, and it's a toddler. It's got very minor wear. You can see a little bit of mark right there on the knee area, like a little one falling. But the comps on snowsuits just like this, the one piece, kind of all in one. This is a 3T, and the comps were great. Like most of them, it's sold between 50 and 75. So I think I'm expecting about 50 to 55, and I think I have it priced at 69 or something. Anyways, so I was really excited about this. I did pay up for it. Just gonna wait for the right buyer. A retail of this was like the 125, 150 range. I think it was about 150 for snowsuits like this. But I just love the print. It's great. And for someone to use all season long with a toddler, it's great because it's just kind of one item as opposed to you have to buy the pants separate and the jacket separate. And so, yeah. All right, I've actually found 3 pairs of these. So I'm guessing they came from the manufacturer. I sold one and I have one that's flawed that I didn't realize was flawed, but that's okay. But they're mother, and the one that I sold like this, I don't know if it's sold on eBay. Anyways, I think it sold for about 50. And I think I have them listed for about 69. But the first one sold really quickly. It's a great size 32. A little bit of stretch, which is great, but just a fun style, and new with tags. So this style is the center short fray, and it's the wash is the whipping the cream pink racer. And I found 3 of them, and I didn't see any damage, but I kind of quickly was like, yep, one listing, all in one. And then I got them all under light just to make sure, and one of them has a couple faint spots. And since it's new with tags, I don't want to wash it. So, although the tag could be easily put on and off. But anyways, I sold one. I have this one listed, and then when this one sells, I'll sell the other one for a slightly lower amount. But I was really excited to find those. And with that one, I'm hoping to get about 50 to 55 for the good condition, the new condition, and then the one that's slightly flawed, couple spots that I think will be able to get out pretty quickly. They're not like heavy stains. It's just, like dust spots that I can't wipe off, but probably 10, 15 bucks less for that one. But anyways, I love it when you can have one listing for multiple things because I don't have that very often. But all right, this is another Anthro, and I absolutely love it style wise. I love the pocket stripes, how they kind of go against the chevron print. And this is Postmark, and this is a size 00, but I just love it so much. And it's just, I think it's a perfect spring summer skirt. And I found the style name on this, and I can't remember what it is, but I did put it in the listing. So I'm hoping for only about 20 to 24 for this, but I couldn't leave behind because I just thought it's kind of a rough cotton material. I think it's fully lined. No, it's not lined. So yeah, it's a great spring summer skirt. But all right, a few more items. What did I say, 15? This is a pair of joggers, and it's by Helmut Lang. And I did find the name, but they're cropped. They have this really funky zipper. What I loved most was on the front. It kind of has, this like asymmetrical folds on the front, and then the pockets are just so funky on the back. Now, I couldn't tell if these were men's or women's. These are size small, but I did find the exact style sold out on one website, and they had all the info on it. So it is a women's, but yeah, just they feel like scuba material, and I think that was in the description. It's like a scuba something. Anyways, really great condition. Really excited about these. I'm hoping for about 55 to 65. I couldn't find this exact one sold, but just based off of, I mean, retail, they were pretty pricey, probably around 300, I believe, 285, something like that. I can't remember. But anyways, I was definitely excited. I love finding that brand. And yeah. This one I picked up off of the print, the style. It's another Anthro, and I do not pick up all Anthro, but certain things based off of size and style I do. This one, OMG, do you see little chairs? How cute. It's like a light pink with the black, you know, vanity chairs is kind of what it looks like. It's a good size. It's a size 10. It's 11Zs. And fully lined, but adorable. Just such a fun with some black heels, a black top. Just such an easy, funky outfit. There was a very minor spot, and I can't remember where it is, but I disclosed that in the listing. And I still think it'll sell. So because of the little spot, I'm really only hoping to get 20 to 24 for this. I think a couple had sold for 30 to 35 of this print, but again, just gonna try and sell it as is because I don't think it's obvious with that print. All right. This is, I think, the second time I picked up this brand, and I recently picked it up. I think it was in my last favorites, and it's Acris. But I love this because it's great for spring. I mean, don't mind the wrinkles. It's been folded up for days, but I just love the texture of it. It's very lightweight. It's almost semi-sheer. Not really, a little bit. Like, it's lined, but it's just very thin. And I just think this can be dressed up or dressed down, and just a great piece in my opinion. It's a size 12, which is also great. And yeah, I'm hoping for about 45 to 55 with this. This one I've gotten a couple offers, but they've been low, like under 50% of what I'm asking, so I've just declined them. And yeah, absolutely love this. And I can't remember, I did put the style name in the description or in the listing, but what I love about this, so it's just an AllSaints blouse, sheer blouse, but the buttons go all the way around. So you could actually button it all the way to the top, all the way down the back, and it's just like buttons all the way. So you unbutton it where the neck is. Some celebrities have worn this top. It's just easy. It's kind of oversized. I don't think I showed the tag. It's a size 10, which is great. And yeah, such a, just, I love the accent of the buttons going all the way front to back. So, all right, two more items. This is Rebecca Taylor, and it's the La Vie line. And I know some people don't pick up Rebecca Taylor anymore, but it is expensive retail. And I liked this because of the size, the style going into spring. But there's the La Vie by Rebecca Taylor. But this is just perfect with a pair of shorts. It's a little on the crop side, so some high waist shorts, just really big sleeves. And it's a size large, which is awesome. Just a great spring piece, spring summer piece. And with this one, I'm hoping actually for 35 to 40. I did find this exact top and very similar. We're still selling a decent amount. I don't think it's gonna be a quick flip, but I think the size and the style is great, so. And this is the bonus. That was actually the 15th item. This one is not gonna get much. However, I just couldn't leave it behind. So fun. So this is the Good Human line, which is sometimes sold at Anthropologie and other places. But it just says sweaty. Oh my gosh. And the little drops of sweat. But it's got the brand on the back, and it's just a muscle tee. It's adorable. It's a size extra small, but I'm only expecting about 14 to 16, but I just couldn't leave behind. Easy to photograph, easy to store. And I think it's gonna make someone happy when they go work out and all that stuff. So anyways, those are my recent favorites. I will definitely have another one in a week or two. So definitely hit the thumbs up if you like these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.